the split screen system in our game hasn't been implemented that properly. There's a lot of visual bugs and glitches, and it doesn't support multiple aspect ratios. So in order to fix that, since we were using one solution, which is to use render targets, hopefully there would be other solutions. So in order to get those other solutions, I couldn't find any more solutions online. So I created a forum post in the Unreal Engine to see if there's any better ways to implement the single player split screen, because usually when people talk about split screen it's multiplayer, but in our case for our game it'll be single player. And yeah, so I made this kind of long post since there's a lot of stuff that I wanted to clarify and talk about. But yeah, to anyway, we we actually got a reply already. So what this guy suggested is basically, why not just, have the illusion of a split screen. So uh imagine the line, so imagine no other render target at all. So right now our current solution is like having two cameras, but what if just having one camera and then just have a uh visual split in the middle, and then just as the projectiles go through the visual split in the middle, it'll just disappear and stop for a few seconds and reappear, and then in the other side, so it kind of just like an illusion. So like what he said here, the easy way to do that kind of split screen is just to not do it. Place both of the ships on the screen centimeters apart and draw a line in the HUD between them. So you can make two different background plates and texture them differently. And now you'll have to make some magic with rockets, disappear for a few seconds, and lasers to break just on the line, but other than that, it should have no effect. You can actually make your prototype without those visual breaks. Okay, so this is actually something that Amit suggested, and it's pretty funny to see that this guy also suggested it. I replied to him reasons why we didn't go with that solution, but if there's no other better solutions, probably good to at least try this out and see how this goes. And because the main reasons why we didn't go with this solution is because there's gonna be a lot of things going in and out of that split screen. So like the projectiles or the crew members and the ship. Let's say the rocket ship that will transport the crew members to the other ship. How would you seamlessly, like move that across the split screen without making it obvious it's an illusion? Or let's say the clouds or the cloud effects, the lighting, a lot of things. Not everything could be hidden with that solution. But yeah, that's one way. And also, yeah, I also made a video just dedicated to this topic, since it'd be easier for me to just send this YouTube video to someone else, or maybe someone could see this and give a reply here. And I could also send this to the Discord, so that I don't have to write everything down, this entire thing down in the Discord. And yeah, as for the Discord, I contacted some servers. So one of them is Leaf Branch Games, and this is one of the guys making tutorial videos, and he has a Discord channel. I just decided to post him here too as well, but no one has replied yet. Next, I also got a reply from this guy again, Jota Art. So this guy who made this asset here. Since we're planning to go for a PSX style visuals for Atomic Drifter, decided to message this guy if it's possible to apply this in UI as well. Since, okay, what you can see right here is using post-processing as well as textures, but nothing here about UI. So I messaged him about that, and he said, surprisingly said, So yeah, let's just read it. Hi Eric, your message really got me thinking. This shader wasn't designed for UIs, but I've found a way to adapt it. I'm going to get everything ready to upload the new version to Unreal with the option to pixelate a user interface. I'll let you know when it's all set, and I hope you like it. So, surprisingly, it's gonna update this asset just to also have it in the to have it work in the UI. So yeah, as soon as he gets back to me, yeah, I haven't replied to him yet, but I will. But as soon as he gets back to me, I think it's better that we get this asset, and it's relatively inexpensive, so it should be good. Yeah, surprisingly, I didn't expect that this guy would update this entire asset just to also make it work with the UI. As for the other guy, has no reply yet. And yeah, so far that's my update for today. Was most of the time was just spent writing this long forum post, and yeah, this is my quick update for today.